Welcome back to It's Natural. It's Patty here. This week recalls. This is what this video is going to be about. Real quick, we do not have any alerts on any food products in the United States, but we have 2 recalls on raw packaged beef. And one report was on April 23rd and the other one was on the 24th, and it's for possible E. coli. There has been cases documented, and there's 2 companies. One is called K2D Foods and the other one is called Grant Park. Now, K2D is recalling 113,424 pounds, can you believe that, of raw ground beef. Grant Park is recalling 53,000 pounds. So what areas do these affect? Port Orange, Florida, Norcross, Georgia, Minnesota, and Kentucky. And I will go ahead and link, or I'll put it right here, the toll-free number to the United States Department of Agriculture's poultry and beef hotline if you have any questions. And I'll also put the link below for the USDA.gov website if you want to know the specifics. Now, they are considered Class 1 high risk, which means the Class 1 is the highest risk and that it will cause E. coli or other things that can happen to your body. It's considered a very high health risk. They are concerned about this product being in freezers. Now, was these distributed in stores? It was distributed to restaurants, from my understanding. The ones from Florida and Georgia were to restaurants, and they were concerned about it being in the restaurants' freezers. Now, the Grant Park, the one that was shipped to Minnesota and then institutions in Kentucky, did not say where those were. It was pretty much vague on that. But those are the only 2 updates on E. coli recall for food recalls this week. The K2D Foods recall did a press release on the 23rd. Grant Park recalled on the 24th of April. So those are the only 2 this week, and there's no food alerts or outbreaks that that was in the news news releases with the USDA or the CDC. I didn't get anything with those 2. So that is it for this week. And I hope you all have a wonderful week, and make sure you like, subscribe, thumbs up with a like, and I will talk to you soon. Bye now.